Hi all, welcome to Die.3D Tech YouTube channel. In this video we'll see how to print your 3D prints exactly in the center of your heat bed. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel for future videos. So my new 3D printer is printing a little off from center, so we need to fix this problem. First we need to change few things in Marlin firmware and upload to boat. So first you need to open your Marlin configuration file, and we need to do small changes in Marlin firmware and we need to update. So first we need to check search for first xmin x_min. So check for this value. If any value is there, means that xmin so you can see here this x and y, if any values is there, just you need to make this value 0 so that we can calculate properly. So first what you need to do is you need to search this x min position and y min position and make the value 0, and you also need to check this also, manual underscore x. So you can see here this manual underscore x home position. Here also if you see some value here, just make this value 0. Okay, so x min and manual x home and y home, you need to make these values 0 and upload the firmware to your board. Okay, so I will do that and I will be back. So after uploading the firmware, so you go to this Thingiverse and download this file. This is a bed center calibration. There is a STL file. You can download that and you can slice it in Cura or any slicing software you are using. Just slice it and upload to your memory card and we can start printing. Okay, so I will print this and I'll be back. So I 3D printed this one, circle one, and before that what I did, I just drawn two lines from a corner, from that corner to this corner to this corner, so that I can define the center. Okay, so exactly this is the center of the heat bed, but the print you can see it is little away. So this is supposed to come here, but it's coming here. That means it is not exactly in the center. That is the reason whenever I try to print something, it is printing somewhere here. So I need to fix this one. So yours also, you just check it how far it is. Like maybe it is, yeah, it is too far from here to here and here. This one is a little far. So we need to calculate this distance and we need to put it in a firmware. So for that, first what we have to do is we need to bring the nozzle, this nozzle manually to here. Okay, so that you can see the values of x and y, okay, in a LCD screen. So you note it down those x and y values and we can do some calculations, and whatever value we get, we can put it in firmware so that it will fix the problem. So prints will come exactly in the center. So we'll do that and we'll see. So I switched on 3D printer. So now I am moving the nozzle towards center. So this you can do it in your controller or you can do using frontal face also. So now I will move the nozzle towards center point, like where these two lines will touch. So as I'm lifting Z little up. So I think it is center. So I have taken this nozzle to center manually, and these are the values displayed on my LCD. You can see X is 234, Y is 168. Okay, so note these two values. So X is 234 and Y is 168. So I will note it down and we'll see the calculation. So let's do the calculation now. So my heat bed size is like, it is 400 by 400. So 400 by 400. So 400 by 400. So the center of the bed will be like, it's 200. So the center area will be like 200. 200. 200. So 200 for X and 200 for Y. Okay, so this will be center for X and Y. So 200. So what are the values we got here is like, so for the X, this value is like 234. What we got is 234, and the Y value is 168. So these are the two values we got it from LCD. So we need to calculate the offset values. So it's very simple. So here the center is like 200. So just do the maths for the X. It is 200 minus 234. So the value will be minus 34. Then for the Y, so this is the 200 is the center value, and the value we got it in LCD, it's 168. So the offset value will be 32. So let's put these two values in Marlin firmware. So you just go to Marlin firmware, just go to this manual X home position. So you just search for the manual. Okay, so you can find this. So these two values we have to enter here. So these two values we have to enter here. So X is like minus 34 and Y is 32. Okay, so we have to give these two values here. So let's enter X is equal to minus 34 and Y equals to just 32 or 34. Yeah, it's 32. So let's upload this firmware. Okay, let's upload this firmware into board and we'll see. Okay, so I'm just saving this and I'll upload to my MKS general board. So it's printed now. You can see here it came exactly in the center. So you can see here, so it came exactly in the center. So like that. So when you do this calculation to know the 3D printer size, bed size, you can check it in your firmware. So whatever size you have given, that value you have to take it for your calculations. Okay, so use that calculation. For example, you have a 300 by 300 mm bed, you need to take that value. So make sure you enter the same number in firmware. So the center will be 150 for an X and Y. So based on that you can do the calculation for the offsets and all, you can do that. So thank you for watching this video, and please like this video and please share this video. Thank you, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.